too much for club.
Right, Sans, thank you.
The nervous laugh.
The next builder.
Thank you.
We're not following.
Builder will be right here.
You're right.
Yeah?
The next builder will be right here.
Welcome to the workshop. I know it's a little, it's a lot, but to us, it is everything. Now to some of you, you may look around and see what appears to be a bunch of old junk. But let me clarify something. Some of this is new junk. You've met my fellow gatherers, and you may call me Kimber. We call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the farthest reaches of the galaxy for ancient relics. We search the forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. Now what we find, we bring back here. So where a stormtrooper would see only worthless clutter, to those who know, we see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may ensure our future. You have each heard the legend of Luke Skywalker, correct? Correct?
Yeah.
As well, we have caught wind of another, a new Jedi. Does anyone know her name? Rey, you've heard of her. Well, what Rey is leading is the spark of hope that many have been waiting for. And that is why each of you are here today, to look ahead and to build the lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art, and the saber is a reflection of its builder with the force flowing between them. And today, each of you will feel that connection. But enough talk. Let us begin. And so, we begin with perhaps the most important element of the lightsaber, the Kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the Force to magnify it. Some say the Kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the saber's blade. Blue. Wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi and his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now, as we hear, red. Green. Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful like the one wielded by Mace Windu. And red. It has been called the color of power. The crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and Kylo Ren. But these are stories of the past. And we are here to you, the future. The time has come for each of you to select your very own Kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Builders, please indulge me by closing your eyes. Yes, close your eyes. And in your mind's eye, picture your Kyber crystal. What color do you see? What color calls to you? What color is yours? Now mentally select your Kyber crystal. And remember, it is equally likely that the crystal is choosing you as well. Builders, open your eyes and take your Kyber crystal. your Kyber crystal and the green crystal holder in front of you. The time has come to join your Kyber crystal with the saber design you have each selected. And so, we begin with the hilt, the foundation of your lightsaber, the center of your control, and also the part that keeps your hand from being disintegrated. It's simple. Now, in front of you are the parts and pieces you have each selected. Review them very carefully from left to right. Starting at the very far left, you will find your chassis. Moving on to the far right, you will find your activation plates. In the middle, you will find your grips, emitters, and pummel caps. Now, building a lightsaber is a personal journey. And just as you chose your Kyber crystal, you will choose each part that will make up your very own lightsaber. And the gatherers are here to assist you on this journey. Are you ready? Yes. I said, are you ready?
Yes.
Very well. Let us build.
Right.
Sounds welcome. I will get it. Alright, so let's try to pick up that chassis.
So, we're going to try out.
Push it more jagged in there. However you want it, I'm going to take the pointer one of Spring up the button. Excellent. Wonderful. Over to the activation plates.
Look at that.
You choose any one.
Got a nap over here.
Activation plate. If
you notice on the chassis, there's a blue here. Whatever you carry,
It's as easy as possible for us.
there we go. Beautiful choices. Part of the drill. You got it right. Fantastic. All right. So next up, we're going to move on to the activation panel. Now we're going to red and I'll use square on your chassis. The reason for that, because you can take either step of activation panel, you're going to the exact same sort of square pieces. So blue is going to line up with blue, red will line up with red. Beautiful. Snap together.
Wonderful.
Whatever selection grips you can choose for the
So there
bottom
are
and the
four
top.
here. You choose any two and then go on the top or the bottom.
Grip
So we choose
and the lip.
put out the second one.
That copper lip
There's
goes
a
in
wider
first.
first.
Right,
That's
tiny
the threading that will attach to both sides of the plate. So make sure you put that wider side on the plates. I recommend holding these together that way they don't shift when trying to twist them together. So add pressure down and twist to get it. Once you get one side, you're going to flip it and do it again for the second grip.
All right. So as the name implies, this is what we're going to use to activate the blade. On and off. There we go. Camera, you want it here. Fantastic. All right. But we'll save that for later. Now we get to the point where we can personalize your saber, make it a little more unique to you. So that's the grip. Now, you have four selections here. So you can pick any two of them. Whichever you choose to pick. You apply one on each side. As an example, it looks good to you. Once you put them on, you want a bit of a circular motion. You put them right and solid into place.
Thank you.
The right side, the circle. And it goes on the bottom right side, so you can cover up your power cord. Yeah. Got that.
Putting like the plates, but I see a little bit of space. That's
So once you select that, now you can select an emitter. It goes on top, so you can place it on top of it.
Sorry, is that at the bottom, is it?
So that's the top.
Oh, can I have that at the bottom?
Sorry, not sure why it makes a difference, but it definitely makes a hint of its core.
Doing well. Alright, so the next step is going to be with your emitter. So you can take either one of these two right here. Use that same circular motion.
Work choice there. Excellent.
Alive.
Now, when you're getting ready to activate it, all you do is flip the switch up to activate and then down to
What is your name?
Lovely.
Oh, thanks. Right here for
Thank you
you.
very much.
I'll get this out of your way.
That's great, thank you.
Impressive build, as you know, I am sure.
Very nice.
Copper to the hard
It's a little bit dark.
It's a bit dark, isn't it?
Very impressive. Reminiscent of the old
And lastly, you
forged by the hands of ancient Jedi.
Just look at everyone
Now
else's.
on the other side.
you'll do well. I see a lot of power and control built in. I'm not nervous yet, but well done. You should know that power and control. You have one more power and control here.
The whole side's power control.
Probably.
Power and control. These pieces we have found from the ashes of ancient Sith temples. It's almost as if these specific pieces refused to die. A testament to the Sith
Got the
indeed.
same mindset there. I was looking
Well done.
right.
May I ask, what color Kyber crystal?
Did you enjoy that?
Sorry?
Did you enjoy that?
Red. What is your name? Nate. Nate chose a red Kyber crystal. Now, Nate, I knew you would choose a red Kyber crystal. Do you know how I knew?
As I said before, everybody says activate.
You don't know how I knew? Nate, I just saw you select the red Kyber crystal. Everyone, please take a moment to connect to your hilt. Just take a moment. You have each completed your hilts, and nothing unexpected or traumatic has happened, because why would it? Which brings us now to the most dangerous part of the process. Builders, leave your completed hilts at your station and to take a large step back. Gatherers, do your work. The gatherers are placing each of your lightsabers into a Kyber crystal stabilization chamber. This is a dangerous process, hence why we ask you to step back. My friend Holly, how are you feeling?
Excited.
Excited. Holly's excited. Quite nice to hear. And to keep the excitement rolling here in the workshop, Holly, I don't want to alarm you, but I do want to let you know you were leaning against 2 canisters of thermal detonators. Okay. So just one step forward for safety.
Much skill have you shown. Chosen for yourself, you have. Now, joined, you will be. It is time.
Master Yoda, it is indeed time to take that first step. We have reached the final stage in the process, and the bond between Builder and Saber is about to be forged. In a moment, you will step forward, place your hand on your hilt, and together on my signal, we will activate. Builder, step forward, place your hand on your hilt, and wait for it. Activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. Raise them high. You have each built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith who came before you, and like them, you too can change the galaxy. It only takes a spark. Builders, please, deactivate your sabers.
Ah, complete your lightsaber is. Now, your destiny you seek, your own path. May the Force be with you.
Master Yoda, thank you. In your hands, each of you hold remarkable power, and remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So, to protect your new lightsabers, we are pleased to present a lightsaber sheath as you depart. Our time is at an end, but your journey is just beginning. It is time to make your mark on the galaxy, and remember, each of you are as unique and magnificent as the lightsabers you have constructed today. And maybe next time, we'll be telling your story. Till the fire.
Till the fire.
This way.
Ooh.
Well done. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Those spiders keep you out there.
Thanks very much. Thank you.
Okay, that was a little bit awesome. So yeah, I've got my very much dark side inspired, Sith inspired lightsaber. So I've gone for the power and control hilt and a lot of black. And I'm going to be truthful, for months I've kind of been looking up what parts I really wanted, so I kind of knew straight away. Obviously you might have saw in the video, the gentleman had to help me, had a bit of a dodgy switch, he's just switched that out for me. But it's really cool. He's, as people saying, he's really weighted.
Can I feel it?
Quality. There you go, Kel. Oh yeah, it's
oh my
heavy,
god,
isn't it?
yeah, it's heavy.
And just to, there you go, I've got a red.
Oh wow. It's
up.
picking it up as like an orange colour, but
Is
it looks good,
So
yeah.
yeah, it's really cool. And what we didn't see, so when we seen that, might get his name on Doc Honda's antique, okay, say the antique shop, I'd say. I purchased a violet or purple Kyber crystal, a white Kyber crystal, a green Kyber crystal, and a blue Kyber crystal. And what you can do is you can access this part here, and you can actually exchange the Kyber crystal, so this will change to any colour that you purchased. So this cost slightly, just over $200 with tax, 213 I believe it was. And the Kyber crystals cost me another $60 odd, so I think
For 4 of them though.
yeah, for 4 of the crystals.
Yeah.
So yeah, so I can't wait to have a little play when I get home and put the different coloured crystals in there and see what kind of combinations they look like. But it's so cool, and of course you don't want to drop your new
That's so
dangerous
cool.
weapon, so they've given you a lovely carry case. And the good thing is as well, if you travel from the UK and you're worried about getting this home, this blade actually comes out. I'm not going to try it now, but the blade actually comes out, so you can put, obviously fit that maybe diagonally in your suitcase, so you don't have to worry too much. But yeah, super cool. And now we're going to explore the rest of Black Spire Outpost. But yeah,
With your lightsaber on your
with my
back.
lightsaber.
Very
So
cool.